Good evening. My best greeting to all the staffs and students of Pratyusha Engineering College. I, K. Vasantan of Final Year Mechanical Department, stand before you to extend my regards and express my gratitude towards all my staffs of Mechanical Department for giving me the opportunity to share a few points on smart HVAC system and thereby showcase our innate talent. Let us see what is a HVAC system. And heating, ventilation, and air conditioning is a technology of indoor and vehicular environmental comfort. In addition to sensor learning algorithm in order to better fit with users' behavior or building uses. Its goal to provide a thermal comfort and acceptable indoor air quality to a residential and commercial building. Smart technology can save an average of 27% of energy consumption in household. HVAC system design is a subdiscipline of mechanical engineering based on principle of thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and heat transfer. HVAC systems are prevailing anywhere. Now let us see why smart HVAC system is so smart. Smart HVAC system allows demand control by improving a response of system to heating, cooling, and ventilation needs. Smart HVAC technology reduces energy cost, lessens the workload on faculties, staffs, and provide better comfort condition for employee. Advantage for heating, ventilation, and air condition system can reduce consumption in unoccupied zones of building. They can also continuously adapt the operation to fit the demand and detect need of maintenance. They are based on sensors and use control strategies adapted to the technology of the system by modeling temperature, flow rate, capacity, etc. Now let us see the architecture of smart HVAC system. Now, this is an architecture of smart HVAC system. It is consist of three primary elements: compressor and air handler, ventilation and air supply, thermostat. Now, let us see following slide detail about these components and how they are working and what are the users benefits, etc. Now, let us see the first one: compressor and air handler. The compressor is the electric pump that compresses a refrigerant and air handler, which blows air over the heating or cooling coil. Both take a major energy load on the system. It's important that a component are optimized so they don't be efficiency can be achieved run only when they needed. Many utilities also offered demand response program. The IoT will enable time of use pricing, meaning consumer will purchase energy through market mechanisms rather than have fixed prices. The emergency of more distributed energy generation is only possible for electrical grid and mechanical equipment. Now let us see the second system, the ventilation system that detects air where the when it is needed in the building. In a new commercial building, complex ventilation system are usually modulated beforehand with BMI technology. Even in residential construction, a licensed mechanical engineer and plumber engineering typically need to design an HVAC system, which include ventilation design. The overall goal is to provide air to rooms that are occupied and to keep the temperature those rooms at the comfortable level. Even a smart system can sometimes be overridden by building occupant, which distract efficiency and cost saving. Imagine a janitor, for example, who cleans a building night. If the building has been modulated to go from 76 degree Fahrenheit to 85 degree Fahrenheit at 6 p.m., and the janitor overrides his functionality by turning the thermostat to 70 degree Fahrenheit degree each evening as he works. That's a clear and definite misuse of modulator system. Monitoring something like this is fairly straightforward, but what is handler if is known if vent are blocked or people have made over improvement to their workspace. The best way to monitor usage like this through the sensor driven technology. It allows the building manager to monitor when something is blocked or tempered with so the problem can be fixed anyway. Now let us see the last primary component, thermostat. Thermostat. A smart thermostat typically measure temperature, but really smart thermostat can read temperature, humidity, occupancy, and other variables. These features allow the thermostat to make better decision about how to adjust a room and setback. Part of the sensor in a wise to bring the audition in a room discomfort may have a little to do in a wise with the temperature and everything to do with the latent heat, which is the heat caused by the humidity. This may be due to the poor HVAC design. Another part of making a thermostat smart is putting in the right place. That is, it can be in a commercial or a residential. For example, if a stove is in a restaurant kitchen and the chef is decided it is too hot, the entire restaurant will freeze while he is comfortable. This is where the zoning comes from. Zoned heating and cooling helps you more air to the right area at the right time. And it is an integral part of making an HVAC system uh, intelligent. Now, let us see the making building of HVAC system. A smart building technology provides sensing and software solution that and including number of facilities management leaders are adopting to the better control and optimize building heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, as well as other mechanical equipment, lighting, water, security and safety system. In commercial building, 55% of energy is used by HVAC condition system and distributed throughout the building. Building can save energy by using automatic HVAC control, lighting, window shading technology, advanced building computerization and data analytic and other services. A smart HVAC system controls can increase an efficiency up to and 20%. Now let us comparison with a traditional HVAC system. Here. With the traditional HVAC system, the cooling system, the furnace part of the system is installed indoor while the cooling unit is installed outdoor. With the package of HVAC system, the entire unit is installed outside the home. Once installed, it is connected to the existing ductwork. A smart HVAC system offers benefits including uh, low energy consumption, condition-based maintenance. HVAC consumes about 39% of building in a total energy consumption. In the end, to live more comfortably, the building managers can manage more efficiently. Now, let us see the smart HVAC on cyber security. In cyber security, Wi-Fi, LoRa, Bluetooth, Zigbee, wireless communication frequency spectrum are crowded because of the rising rising number of connected devices around us. In addition to choose one protocol, Myra OS mesh wireless network technology could be another solution in a smart building. Compared to the traditional HVAC system, a smart HVAC offers a benefit including low energy consumption, condition-based maintenance, predictive measure performance issue, and remote automatic adjustment of the system with it. Tenant can live more comfortably. Building management can manage more efficiently. HVAC system technology can work more easily, and the total building utility fees can be decreased. HVAC system is responsible for controlling temperature and airflow in a smart building. With the ability to locate people inside the premises, the smart system helps building save significant energy consumption and operational cost. Now let us see the what are the consumption can be saved. This is a pie chart which shows the percentage of have the potential to greatly reduce energy consumption while maintaining or even improving occupant comfort. Smart building offers interrupts information from a variety of HVAC sensor points and allows building managers to monitor the temperature, humidity, and other parameters Energies develop algorithm with the smart advanced control can limit HVAC consumption in an unoccupied building zone, detect the densest and faults and reduce HVAC usage during time of peak energy demand. Building optimization automatically adjustment in a real to occupy to comfort feedback. Now let us go to the last slide, conclusion. The goal of HVAC is to have a system that know what's going on in the building and keeps everything properly cooled and save money and mitigate any issue associated with misuses. HVAC system is extremely benefited. They can increase efficiency, reduce energy waste, and make a home more comfortable and more convenient. While everyone isn't familiar with the building, they often underestimate just how complex of system they are. Smart HVAC system can help reduce some of this complexity for the occupants and operators. By offloading a little bit of complexity to smart HVAC system, you are well on your to create a better environment for the people who occupy your building. With my pride, pleasure, and gratitude, once again I express my sincere thanks to one and all.